So this is the first job opening that we have, which is from the RAS Security, Razify. What the funky name? And they're hiring for security engineer freshers. Okay, right. And 0 to 1 years of experience is required, basic knowledge of networking and all those things. Full-time employment, Bangalore-based job, company is Razify, and you can visit the website razify.in to apply for this position, right? Now, next one is BDM Cyber Security, which is Dubai, then UAE IT Security Engineer and National Security Engineer in Dubai, right? So this is mail ID talent at embassysolution.it from where you can apply. So just do accordingly. Next one is 2 to 5 years of experience required for the VAPT or ethical hacking. Sasank.divedi@softteenager.com is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume. So the position is VAPT, right? And you should have knowledge of Bob Suit, Nessus, Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, Nikto, Chap, right? Top 10 MITRE attack, secure coding practices important, and certificate like this one will be a plus point for you. So just apply if you have all those things and you'll get selected, right? Now the next one is cybersecurity researcher position. Qualification is BTech, MCA, BSc, OSCP or CEH. One of the certificate is mandatory, either OSCP or CEH. It's a Delhi based job. Akankshat@viamtech.com is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume. Next one is SQ1. They want security associate analyst L1, L2, L3 from 1 to 8 years of experience. Freshers can apply. DevOps 4 to 8 years of experience. Senior pen tester 5 to 8 years of experience is required. And this is mail ID careers@sql.security. Chennai, this is work from office based job. Next one is L1. Oh, Pakistan, the bloody shit. Next one is network support engineer L1, L2. Bachelor degree in all those things is important. Immediate joining. This is a Pune based job, right? And this is mail ID sohel.s@slates.com or sneha.panchal@slates.com or praveen.puneka@slates.com. Apply accordingly. CCNA certificate is compulsory 24/7. This is currently Pune based job. Next one is Deloitte is hiring, guys. Deloitte is hiring for GRC professional. As I told you, GRC will be booming. Okay, so Mumbai Pune based job, up to 8 years of experience required, 30 days of immediate joining. Cyber GRC ISO 27001 2022 implementations, vendor risk assessment and data protection. This is the link from where you can apply, right? Next one is classes system security admin, 0 to 2 years of experience is required. Kochi, Goa and Coimbatore is the location, and the skills which required. Key responsibility will be all this thing, and this is the scan uh, keyword that you need to scan for applying for this job. Right. Now the next one is incident response V2. Okay, 2 years of experience is required. All this thing like threat intelligence and all the things required. sgopu@protonmail.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much for asking.